Let's start by making our peri-peri spice mix. Add in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chilies, 2 teaspoons of oregano. Mix this and leave aside. Take a saucepan or a wok and add in 3 teaspoons of butter ghee and then add in 500 grams of chicken fillet which I've cut into strips. Also add in 1 teaspoon of fine salt and allow this to cook until the chicken changes color. Once the chicken has halfway cooked, add in 1 tablespoon of the spice mix that we made earlier. Add in 500 grams of a fresh mix of veggies, anything you have available. I've used some broccoli, some carrots, some red onions, and some peppers. Allow this to simmer on high heat until the water dries out completely. Once the water dries out, add in another tablespoon of the spice mix that we made. Remove the chicken from the stove once it has cooked. Now I emptied the chicken into another bowl and I'm using the same saucepan. Add in 125 grams of butter, 8 tablespoons of flour, and 6 cups of milk. For this recipe, I have used full cream milk. Simmer this on medium to high heat until the butter melts and the flour dissolves completely into the milk. Once the sauce starts to thicken, add in the remaining peri-peri mix and add in 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, making sure it's a good quality sauce because this just adds a lovely pink color to the sauce. Add in half a cup of mozzarella cheese and half a cup of Gouda cheese. And I've also added in 2 cups of boiled whole wheat pasta, which I boiled with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix everything well together as shown, making sure that the sauce is properly mixed and your pasta is well coated with the sauce. Add in the chicken and veg mix to the pasta and stir again. For a lovely colorful presentation, add in some chopped spring onions or chives. This dish is usually made in 30 minutes and serves a family of 5. Delicious, scrumptious, healthy, and the perfect winter meal. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and connect with me on my socials. Thanks for watching. Until the next vlog, happy cooking!